If discovering new snacks is one of your favorite parts of traveling, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we're diving into 5 of the best snack and grocery stores in Japan. From massive, colourful mega stores to quiet neighbourhood gems that locals love. Whether you're hunting for quirky Japanese sweets, international comfort foods, or halal certified goodies, these shops offer something for every type of traveller. Hey everyone, welcome back to Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders. First on our list is National Azabu, a legendary grocery store nestled in the upscale Hiroo neighbourhood of Tokyo. This store has been a staple in the community for decades and is especially beloved by expats for offering a wide range of international products, gourmet delicacies, freshly baked goods, and high-quality imports. It has long served as a lifeline for foreigners in Japan looking for familiar ingredients to recreate comforting meals from home. But beyond the shelves, National Azabu has always been more than just a store. It's a hub for cultural exchange and social interaction. Locals and international residents alike gather here, making it a space that's both practical and heartwarming. Through the years, it has adapted to modern needs while staying true to its roots of diversity and hospitality. For travellers and food lovers alike, National Azabu is a culinary destination that reflects Tokyo's cosmopolitan side. Next up, we head to the sprawling mega Don Quijote in Shibuya, one of Japan's largest and most tourist-friendly shopping destinations. Donki is an absolute wonderland, offering up to 9 floors of everything imaginable: skincare, souvenirs, electronics, snacks, cosplay items, toys from Pokemon and Ghibli to One Piece, and even adult items. It's a great place to get lost in the variety and stumble upon treasures you didn't even know you needed. Open 24/7, it's perfect for night owls and jet-lagged travelers, and they even sell suitcases to help you haul your growing collection of goodies. Tourist perks include tax-free deals for purchases over 5,000 Japanese yen, which makes it a hit for budget-conscious shoppers. However, be prepared for crowds and long lines. It's always buzzing with energy. Still, Don Quijote is a must-visit for anyone unsure of what to buy, but eager to explore Japan's wild side of shopping. For Muslim travellers or anyone looking for halal-certified treats, Halal-Ya's flagship store in Asakusa is a must-visit hidden gem. This charming shop specialises in halal snacks and candies, offering peace of mind without sacrificing taste or variety. Shoppers are greeted with friendly service, free tasting samples, and even lovely hijabs made from traditional kimono fabric. It's not just about what you buy, the experience here is genuinely warm and inviting, with customers often enjoying personal conversations with the owner and staff. As a bonus, you might even receive a thoughtful free gift like a honey nut snack. The blend of culturally respectful products and sincere hospitality makes Halal-Ya a one-of-a-kilt stop in Tokyo. Perfect for thoughtful souvenir shopping or simply enjoying a peaceful shopping experience. If you're looking for variety and value, Niki No Kashi in Tokyo should be at the top of your snack shopping list. This compact shop is a treasure trove for anyone who loves Japanese treats. From matcha Kit Kats and flavoured Pocky to regional specialties, seasonal sweets and imported snacks, this place has it all, and often at prices far lower than what you'll find elsewhere in the city. It's the perfect place for buying in bulk or hunting for unique items to take home. The layout is small but easy to navigate, and there's even a designated packing area after checkout where you can organise your haul with ease. If you're shopping for souvenirs or simply want to indulge your sweet tooth, Niki No Kashi offers unbeatable value and selection. Rounding out our list is the Super Yamazaki Misuji store, a 24-hour neighbourhood supermarket that gives you a more local, down-to-earth shopping experience. Likely operated under the well-known Yamazaki bakery brand, this store offers everything from daily groceries to tasty bakery items. While its seafood quality is considered average, its bread and cooked meals, especially the katsudon, including a unique open cutlet egg bowl version, are popular among regulars. The atmosphere is calm and community-oriented, with very few tourists, giving you an authentic slice of everyday Tokyo life. One of the best times to visit is after 9 p.m, when bentos, sashimi, and other ready-made items go on sale for up to 50% off. Though prices may be slightly higher than other supermarkets, the combination of convenience, friendly staff, late-night discounts, and reliable staple items like eggs makes Super Yamazaki a solid stop, especially if you're staying nearby or just want to experience local life in Japan. Japan's snack scene is wonderfully diverse, from international groceries at National Azabu to the buzzing aisles of Don Quijote, and from halal-certified treasures at Halal-Ya to the everyday charm of Super Yamazaki and budget-friendly finds at Niki No Kashi. Whether you're shopping for souvenirs, stocking up for your hotel stay, or just love exploring new snacks, these 5 stores offer something special for every kind of traveller. Don't forget to comment with your favourite Japanese snack and subscribe for more global shopping guides. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!